Thank you very much. And now we will have Sharad Jha, who will come forward and who I would like to welcome him. And he would like to share some thoughts on Sri Sri Thakur. But I just want to give a brief... Before I hand over the microphone to Sharadji, I would just like to say that he is presently the Deputy Chairman of Chesham and Amersham Conservative Association, Buckinghamshire, and presently he is the Chairman of Conservative Party also, Chalfont St. Peter, Buckinghamshire. So over to Sharadji now.
No, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Jai Guru to everyone. And it has always been a celestial and divine experience being a part of such an, I would say, beautiful atmosphere with so many programs and so many beautiful cultural radiance of brilliance in excellence. So it has been fantastic, especially seeing the younger generation. I have seen for the past 10 years the nurturing of young minds and improving life chances in different areas. So that itself is an enlightening experience. And over here we are sitting for the past, I would say 4 hours, but I would say the pure and positive feeling which we had right now amidst the natural surroundings. Outside you see it is a bit sunny, but amidst the natural surrounding of these trees, that itself gives us such a, I would say, beautiful ambience. And going from here, I would say that every Saturday surely there is a satsang. And when I had myself gone to Devghar, where there is a, I would say, a big ashram of Guru Anukul Chandra Ji. So when you go to Devghar, the kind of feeling you have over there, that surely gives you the thought that yes, something somewhere is there from whom you can connect and surely make your life much more better. So always you require a guru in one form or the other, and that way, whenever I have come for Satsang UK programs, almost every Saturday, every weekend it happens. And the program over here has been happening for the past 3 years. The first year I came, it was celebrated in that area. Now it is in this area. So it's, I would say, chromatic, kaleidoscopic, and all kinds of colors are there, all kinds of human beings are there, people are there, all kinds of living beings are there. So considering that factor, thank you so much for inviting me always, and it's a privilege and honor coming over here and seeing, especially the next generation. What we have done, it's fine, but the next younger generation, they are going ahead and taking us forward. So thank you so much for that. Highly appreciate it.
Thank you, Sharji, and we really, on behalf of Satsang UK, we appreciate your presence and your support, not just today, but also for all other, programs that we hold. So thank you so much. At this point, I will call Mr. Rajashi Roy, Director of Satsang UK, to give his vote of thanks.
Thank you, Alkaji. And yes, today, now we are at the fag end of our third Open Garden Satsang program. We have given the name of this program as the celebration of being and becoming. And it is really great that you all stayed with us for last 3 hours. Few of us actually more than that. And like every big program, suddenly this sort of program cannot be done just overnight. So many of us here put a lot of effort to plan, organize, and things so that it can be done perfectly all right. I hope you all enjoy it, and with that, I'd like to give a vote of thanks to all of you for your whole support and everything. Your patience. You all attended this program so patiently, and we are sorry because of some technical problem. We had to start this program a little bit late, and I hope that you all are excited to have the same program at the same ground at the similar time in the next year. So let's wait for Open Garden Satsang 4th in 2027. Jai Guru. Thank you.
Please can everyone come forward for a group photo? So please can I request everyone?